In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up your Jotform data. Whether you're preparing for data migration, need an extra layer of security, or simply want to keep a local copy of your forms, backing up your data is a smart move. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to jotform.com. This is the main website where all the magic happens. Once you're there, take a moment to ensure you're logged into your account, as you'll need full access to proceed with the backup process. Now, once you're on the Jotform homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon representing your profile. Go ahead and click on that profile icon, and this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. Next, look for the option labeled Settings in the drop-down menu and give it a click. This action will take you to your account settings page. Here, you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Jotform account, but for today, our focus is on backing up your data. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Locate and click on the one labeled Data. This section is dedicated to all things related to your data management, and it's where you can control how your data is handled, accessed, and backed up. Now that you're in the Data section, you'll see an option that says Export Data. This is the feature we'll use to back up your Jotform data. Underneath the Export Data heading, there's a button that says Download My Data. Click on this button to initiate the process. After clicking Download My Data, you might see a prompt asking for confirmation or additional information. Follow any on-screen instructions and provide any necessary details. This step ensures that your data is handled securely and that the right information is included in your backup. Once everything is set and you've confirmed your choices, you'll reach the final step. You should see a button labeled Download. Go ahead and click it to begin downloading your data. The download process might take a few moments depending on the size of your data, so be patient as your information is prepared and sent to your device. And there you have it. Your Jotform data is now safely backed up, ready for offline access or future use. Remember, keeping backups of your important data is always a good habit to develop, and it can save you a lot of trouble down the line. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your online tools. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.